If you're not getting views and YouTube is not recommending your videos, just know that something is wrong. Those videos are meant to be watched even if you're a beginner with 0 subscribers. If you get everything right, if you get like your tags, your keywords, if you get everything right, YouTube is going to push your video to the right people. Hi guys, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what is stopping YouTube from pushing your videos and how you are going to fix it. So watch this video till the end because you must surely get something. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot. So number one reason that could make YouTube not to push your video is you not optimizing your channel. I'm not talking about your video, but your channel. Like a lot of us doesn't know that this option exists, or some are too tired to fix it. They come to YouTube doesn't know anything about you. It's you that have to tell them more about you, what you want to do, what your video is all about, everything about your channel. So that's why you need to optimize your channel. You want to start a YouTube channel, you need to put in your keywords about your channel, your tags, like everything about that tag is supposed to be what you are talking about, what your video is talking about, so that YouTube can be able to push this video to the right people. So if you go to your YouTube Studio desktop version, you put in the words, the keywords that you normally use on this channel, whether it's cooking. If it's cooking, you put in all the words about food, cooking, like kitchen utensils, like everything about food. Like if you go to your YouTube Studio version, I'll be showing the tutorial, putting the keywords there so that YouTube will know everything about your channel and push it to the right people.
In your YouTube desktop version, click on this setting down there, then click on channel. You will see where they wrote keywords. In that keywords, just type in any words that relate with your channel, any words at all that relate with your channel. Like you can see mine, I type in how to grow on YouTube, how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get your view, because it concerns my channel. This is just telling YouTube this is all about this channel, so that if they are pushing your video, they will know who to direct your video to. This is very important. So if you have not done this, please try and do it.
So the second thing that can make YouTube not to push your video, not to recommend your video, is always using the same tag, like copying the same tag every day. Same tag you use in your first video, you will use it in your second video. No, it doesn't happen that way. Every video needs to have its own tag. For you to copy the same tag every day, why can't you just go to your upload default, type in some of the tags? Like I normally put 10 of the tags, it will be there. I'll put in my links, my other channel, my social media handle there, so that it will be very easy for me. I will not be uploading everything again if I post a new video. So the only thing you have to do is, since you have put in 10 tags, you can put in more 5 that relates to your video, so that it will make it complete. So this is the very easy way you can put in your keywords, your tags, and always fill it with keywords so that YouTube will know everything about your videos. If you are putting in keywords, make sure that it matches with your niche and it also matches with the keywords that you use and optimize your channel, so that YouTube will know where they are pushing your video to. So don't make mistake of copying the same tag every day to put in your videos. And that could be the second reason that YouTube is not pushing your video. Stop copying all your tags you use in your previous video to your next video, because all the two videos are not the same.
On the same setting, click on upload default. Then as you can see here, I always leave my title empty because I normally change title. Then in my description, I gave space for where I'll write the video's description, but I normally put my links, my other social media handle, and some of the tags. This is just to make it easy for you. Then I will put my video unlisted. Then the tags, this the tags I normally use always in my video. It's up to 10 or so. Then I will add up. If I post a new video, I will just add few tags that relate to the video that I posted. So guys, always do this thing. just do it in your settings, so that it will be very easy for you in all your videos. It will be very easy for you to upload your video.
Number 3 reason that could make YouTube not to recommend your video is your description. You need to have more keywords on your description. Like the way I normally do my description, if I didn't have time to do all this, to write it by myself, I will just copy the script. I will just copy the script of that video and go to ChatGPT, paste everything there, and tell ChatGPT that this is the script of my video. Give me 200 keywords from this video that I can use as my description. ChatGPT will just give you everything you wanted. You can change some of the things, or you can paste it like that. So that is number 3 reason that might make you to not to push your video. Always put keywords on your description, so that YouTube will understand, and people also will understand everything about your video.
To copy your video script, I'll just be using one of my videos to show you an example. So if you click on edit, then go to subtitle, then click on edit. If you click on edit, you will see the script of that video. Just copy it, tap on it and copy it. If you copy it, then take it to ChatGPT, paste it there, and tell ChatGPT to give you keywords based on this script that you can use as your video description. Then ChatGPT will provide all the keywords that is in that video, and you can use it as your description. That is the way I normally do mine.
And the final one is this feature that people normally turn off or on without even knowing the meaning. Like, feature is a very powerful feature because you get your views from these features. Like, you get your views out of YouTube from this feature. If you turn it off, that means that you only get your views from YouTube. But when you turn it on, you can get your views from other websites like Google and so many other websites, as long as the terms matches with your video, which is embedding. Embedding allows people from other websites to watch your video. Like, you permit it, that's why they put it there. Either you permit it or you turn it off. That is the only reason. If you want your videos to be watched by other websites, you turn it on. But if you don't want people to watch your video from other websites, you can turn it off. Always turn this embedding on so that people can watch your video from other websites. If you go to your analytical to check where your views are coming from, you will see browser recommendation, like you will see other features. Other features are the work of embedding, because the work of embedding is for people from other websites to watch your video. So I always advise to turn it on. Always turn it on so that you can get views from other websites. Another thing again that can make you get views is from your end screen. You get views from end screen, but so many YouTubers doesn't know about it, because so many will watch your video, and after, when it ends, that video that will pop out, they will just like to watch it. Also go to your analytical. You will also see views, like how many percent you got from your views. Like, you will see that end screen is among there, like how many people clicked on your video through this end screen. Like, there's some of my video that they will show me that 10% that my views is coming from end screen. Like, so many people click on my videos through end screen. It gets its own view too. So always try and put your end screen. End screen is very, very important. I know that this thing is tiring, but try and put in the work. If you put in the work, there is no way you cannot get your views. So guys, this is all I have for today. I hope you put it into practice. Guys, I hope you find this video interesting, and if you do, please subscribe and hit the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. If you have any question at all, any problem at all, just drop it in the comment section. I'll be answering you. See you in my next video. Bye.